We are here at Antipolo, Medellin. It's in the northern part of Cebu. And I'm gonna show you the whole resort. It's an exclusive resort. We rented the whole place. It has, I think, 5 rooms, around 10K. They have different rooms in front of the beach, so it's really nice. I will give you a really nice tour of everything. So we just got here. It's like 3 p.m. and it's really nice and it's so peaceful. Everything is gonna be so great. The name of the resort is Seno Beach Resort. It's an exclusive resort and you can rent everything here. Like there's a room here, like a type room. There's also an up and down house, so there are rooms in the second floor of the house. They have kitchen utensils, like you can cook here. There's also toilet. Everything is here, and yeah, the beach is just really in front of us. Yeah, there's also another part of the resort that is downstairs. Room.
Yeah,
this is a toilet. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Let's go
Sophia,
down.
room tour. Again, room tour. This is room 1. Room 1. Knock the door.
Knock the door.
Room 1, and then tell everyone. Room 1.
This is room 1.
With a double deck room.
Yeah, that's mine.
Good for 5. And it's air conditioned.
Yeah,
Yeah, and a blanket. And then the other room.
And my room.
The other room, it's room 3. Wow, it's so nice too.
This is our room. I will go to the app.
Let's look and go up.
We have some.
Do you wanna sleep here, Sophia? Oh.
Let's go to the down.
This is. Oh yeah, what's nice is they also have a balcony here.
Yeah.
They have a little balcony, like you can see the street.
Let's go down.
Do you wanna go down there at the street? Oh, it's so nice. Look at here. So this is the road. Okay, let's go to mom. So this is the upper house. This is the second floor. And they have this little...
Oh, I can have you a show.
Oh, sure. So that's the beach there already. Area. Careful with the stairs. They have a living room here. Living room. Double deck bed. Be careful. Go downstairs. And downstairs is where they're cooked. It's where they eat. And then there's a little store here. And this is the receiving area. Oh, that's so cute. That's the dining area. This is the entrance. Sophia, wanna go out? Do you wanna go there? Okay, let's go to mom. So there's the A house.
I haven't shown you.
That's our room. That's where our room is. Oh wow, that is so cute! And this is the beach here.
Go down and I will have. I
Can I go down?
No,
up your room, okay? Can you open it? So this is Sophia's room. Wow, it's big. Where do you sleep? You sleep up there? Wow, that's so cute. You can see the beach over there in the morning. Yeah. Where do you sleep? Here? Okay, that's so cool. That's so nice. You wanna sleep now? Yeah, I'll sleep beside you. You like it? I'll sleep with you and Mom. I like your room. Yeah, you have a lot of bed. I think this is the master bedroom, right? This is the biggest, right? Of all the rooms, right? This is the biggest room, right? And you have your own CR. And yeah, we don't have bathroom. See, our room don't have bathroom, Sophia. You're lucky, you have bathroom. We don't have. Yeah, I will use the bathroom later. Yeah, I like your room. It's pretty, right?
Do you like my room?
I like your room. Look at your room. Oh, there's baby. I mean, there's Jesus. Yeah, there's. Oh, what's the color of your shirt? It's day 2. Good morning, Medellin. That's our morning view over here in the A-type room. Pretty nice. Having this kind of view in the morning. Good morning, Medellin. Look how calm morning is. It's another island over there, just across us. And it's just so calm here. Oh, super pristine. Look how quiet the shore is. Look, you just hear the.
This is big.
Yeah,
It's nice to be in.
it is, and it's so calm. All you can hear is just birds singing, and then those boats are coming home from fishing. So yeah, look at the other island over there. So it's 7 a.m. already, right?
Yeah.
It's 7 a.m. and it's like this here. Yeah, that island there has residents too. Like there are also people who lives there. And you could also see the cliff in that part. It's really so nice.